Are you a business owner, managing 5 or more employees or consultants, working across multiple projects in different time zones? If so, you're probably facing these common challenges. Daily updates, asking your team, what are you working on? When can I expect this to be completed? Task management, assigning tasks but forgetting to follow up, only to hear, "Sir, I started working on it, but you asked me to focus on something else." Communication chaos, struggling to keep track of what instructions or updates you shared, especially when details are scattered across emails, chats, files, and verbal discussions. Lost context, dealing with the fallout when team members leave the organization, taking critical information with them. Lack of visibility, not knowing who's working on what, which tasks are priorities, and how projects are progressing. What if you had an application that gives you complete visibility of your work in progress in just a few clicks? An intelligent solution powered by AI to streamline communication, track progress, and boost your team's productivity, so you can focus on growing your business instead of chasing updates. WorkWise from the Wisely Suite is a cloud-based application designed to streamline workflows and boost productivity for businesses and organizations of all sizes. With WorkWise, managing your daily operations becomes effortless. Organize projects, group your work into projects. Assign teams, and break down tasks into manageable work items. Task assignment and tracking, assign tasks to specific team members. Track progress visually on a board. And stay on top of deadlines. Centralized communication, keep all task-specific communications and files in one place, with a complete history of changes for seamless collaboration. Instant notifications, use the comment feature to tag team members directly, triggering bell notifications. Emails to ensure instant acknowledgement and real-time communication. Smart search, tag files, comments, and work items for easy retrieval whenever needed. Advanced time tracking, distinguish between billable and non-billable hours. Set accurate time and date estimates and benefit from AI-powered progress calculations for precise tracking. Comprehensive reporting, generate detailed reports of logged hours for projects and tasks, including billable and non-billable breakdowns, to simplify invoicing and improve transparency. WorkWise is your all-in-one solution to organize, track, and optimize your team's efforts, helping you focus on what matters most, growing your business.